Good morning, everyone. Today is a wonderful day. Sky is blue. So, I'm sorry that I couldn't practice with you on the Zoom today. So, I pre-recorded this so you can practice on Saturday morning. I have some guests at my home. Today will be second day of Tibetan Lunar New Year. While the video will be live. Okay. So, let's start the class with chanting Om 3 times, feet together, Tadasana, contract your thighs, chest open, stomach goes in, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, Jala Bandha. Hands on the chest, we chant Om 3 times. Take a long breath in, inspire. Alright. Hands at the side, at your thighs. See, chest open, keep your body straight, contract your thighs. Here. Now, levez le bras, inspire, hands up, croisez les mains, bien tirer les bras. Stretch your hands up, stretch, stretch, stretch. Look at my shoulder and then relax your shoulder. Head up. And expire. See, scapula touching from behind, les omoplates plus proches derrière. Croisez les mains. Hold your hands. Chest open here. Breathe in, chin up. And breathe out. Down. Breathe in, chin up. And breathe out. 2. Breathe in, chin up. And breathe out. 3. Last one, breathe in. And breathe out. 4. Alright, hands at the side. We're going to make it 45 minutes, okay? Right and left. Here. Right and left. Right and left. Last one, à droite et à gauche. Très bien. Hands on your chest. Look back. 1 and 2. Right and left. Right and left. Right and left. Alright, now the fourth one. Half rotation. See. 1 and 2. Right and left. Right and left. Last one. Right and left. Très bien. Hands on the shoulder. Lift up your elbow. See? And then from here, touch your elbows down. From behind, les omoplates plus proches. See? Up. Now touch your elbows. 2. Up. Omoplate plus proche. Scapula touching from behind. Expire 3. And up. Expire 4. Now forward. Here. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. And up. 4. Très bien. Here. Relax. Okay? Now, séparez le pied un petit peu. Separate your foot. Now rotate. See. Without moving your shoulder. 1. 2. Focus. How your stomach, your hips are moving. And 4. Et l'autre côté. Opposite side. 1. 2. 3. And 4. Excellent. Okay. Now, for your feet. Up. Lift one foot. Serrez le cuisse. Flex le pied. And down. Up. Contract your thighs. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Rotate. 1. 2. 3 and 4. Opposite side. 1. 2. 3 and 4. Excellent. Change the side. Here. Contract your thighs. See, ankle, your knees, hips on the same line. Okay. Down. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up and 4. Up. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do like this. Okay. Take your time. Et l'autre côté. 1, 2. Take time. Focus. 4. All right. Here. Très bien. Now the last one. Poignet, coude et épaule. Wrist, elbow, shoulder. Straight. Finger straight and down. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. See here. Now outside. Inside. Outside. Inside. Outside. Inside and outside. Inside. Fit. Point. Right? Make a fist and rotate. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Opposite side. 2, 3 and 4. All right. Okay. Now let's begin. All right. Come here. Feet together. Contract your thighs. Keep your body straight. Chest open. Stomach goes in. Back straight. Okay. Now, inspire. Ujjayi pranayam. Levez le bras. Hands up. Regarde vers ce plafond. Look up. Expire. Penchez devant. Head down. 3 knees. Levez le tête. Head up. Et pliez le genou. Chaturanga. Jump back. Pancha. Inspire. Chin up. Shut. Expire down. On reste ici. 5 respirations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doucement, pliez le genou, levez le pied droit à haut, up, derrière, et posez le pied droit entre de la main. Here. Genou gauche au sol, tous les deux mains à côté de pied, le main au doigt. Baissez le bassin, le talon du genou à la même ligne, monte en haut. Et expire, tous les deux mains entre de la jambe. Okay. Now, doucement, pliez le coude, levez la tête. Si c'est possible, posez le coude au sol, restez là. 1, 3 breathing. 2, 3, excellent. Slowly come up. Posez le main gauche au sol, left hands on the floor, right hands on your knees. See both together. Torsion de abdominaux, levez le jambe gauche. Lift your left knees, levez le main droite à haut. Regarde le pouce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Très bien. Tous les deux mains à côté du pied. See, now slowly come up, high lunge. As you go here, le talon et le genou à la même ligne, le hanche et épaule à la même ligne. Levez le bras. Inspire, breathe in. Expire, pliez le coude. Les mains sont ensemble derrière. Bien tiré. Inspire, levez la tête. And expire, penchez devant. Head down, stretch your arms from behind. Très bien. Les talons du genou à la même ligne. Inspire, posez les mains au sol. Doucement, talon gauche au sol. Here. Levez la tête. Et expire, tendez les jambes droites. Levez la tête, head up. And expire again, head down. S'attire le cuisse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Head up. Très bien. Now, doucement, pliez le genou et planche. Here. Now, levez les jambes droites. Pliez le coude. Inspirez, Urdhva Mukha. And Adho Mukha. Down. 3 breathing. 1. Restez là. 2. 3. And slowly, levez le jambe gauche, up. And then, posez le pied gauche entre de la main. Genou droit au sol, le main à côté du pied. Baissez le bassin, chin up, inspirez. Et expirez tous les deux mains entre de la jambe. Pliez le coude soit ici ou posez le coude au sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Très bien. Slowly come up. Posez le main droite au sol, le main gauche au genou. Here. Si tu veux, se lève le genou droite. Levez le main. Up, look at your thumb. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly hands at the side. And se lève le bras. Si here, high lunge. Levez le bras. Up. Head up. And expire. Open your chest. Now hands from behind. Si. Inspire. Levez le tête. And expire. Forward bend. Head down. Push your arms. On bien tirer le bras. Up, 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 up. Et levez le tête. Head up. And expire. Posez le main au sol. Et talon droit au sol. Here. Levez le tête. Et tendez le jambe gauche. Here. Très bien. You can stay here. Or if you want, breathe in. And breathe out. Head down. It's a nice stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Levez le tête. Pliez le genou. Pieds sont ensemble devant. Come up here. Très bien. Now from here, séparez le pied un peu plus large. Levez le tête. Head up. Si. Stretch your spine. Keep your spine straight. Attrapez le gros pouce. Hold your big toes. Breathe in. And then breathe out. So your stomach coming towards your thighs. Your chest coming towards your knees. Head down. Then knees straight. Tendez le jambe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bend your knees. Posez le main au sol. Les talons sont plus proches. Here. All right. Now bend your knees up. And si. Se lève le talon. Up. Open your hips. Séparez le genou plus large. And then hands together here. Breathe. 1. Reste là. 2. If you want, bend down a little bit more. 3. 4. 5. 6. 2 more. 7. 8. Slowly come up. Inspire. And Samasthiti. Finish. Here. Excellent. Keep your back straight. Ujjayi Pranayam. Inspire. Expire. Inspire. Expire. Last one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Very good. Now feet together. Pliez le genou. Bend your knees. Posez le main plat au sol. Here. Levez le bras. Utkat Asana. Et Namaste Mudra. Hands together. Avant-bras sont droite. Et coude gauche extérieur du genou droit. Here. Tous les deux genoux sont ensemble. Et poussez le genou avec le coude. Si. Ouvrez le poitrine. Épaules sont bien alignées. Regarde vers ce plafond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Slowly hands down. Le tête près du genou. Levez le tête, head up. Et expirez, sautez derrière. Inspire, ouvre-toi mukha. Up et Adho Mukha. Down. Levez le jambe droite. Up. Et prenez le genou près de coude droite. Ici. Contract your abdominals. Stay here. Again. Up. Et genou près de coude gauche. Stay here. Up. Et expire, genou près de coude droite. Inspire, up. Genou près de coude gauche. Last one. Inspire, up. Genou près de coude droite. Inspire, up. Genou près de coude gauche. Now, levez le jambe. Up. Prenez le pied entre de la main. Here. Now, again, levez le bras. High lunge. Here. Up, stay here. Les talons et genoux droite à la même ligne. Restez là. 1. Restez là. 2. Restez là. 3. Restez là. 4. Last one. 5. Posez le main gauche au genou droite et ouvrez le bras droit. Open here. Now, from here, see. Ouvrez tous les deux bras. Regarde le pouce droit. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Très bien. Doucement, posez le main gauche entre de la pied, le main droite à haut. Et doucement, si, here. Le main lombaire, torsion. Restez là. 1. Et 2. Tendez le jambe gauche. 3. 4. 5. Inspirez. Posez le main au sol. Guerrier 3. Slowly come up. Here. Push up. Les mains sont devant. Soit ici. Ou le main à côté de cuisse. Ou, si tu veux, les bras sont devant. 1. Serrez le cuisse tous les deux. 2. 3. 4. Et 5. Pliez le genou, posez le main au sol, pieds sont ensemble, feet together, here. Levez le bras, inspirez, guerrier 1. Non, c'est la chaise. Namaste Mudra, le coude droit extérieur du genou gauche, here. Now, see, align your knees, les pieds sont ensemble, les genoux sont ensemble. Torsion. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Inspirez, posez le main au sol, le tête près du genou. Levez le tête, head up. And jump back. Up. Et inspirez, Urdhva Mukha. And Adho Mukha. Levez le jambe gauche, up. Prenez le genou gauche près du coude gauche, here. Inspirez, levez-le up. Et genou gauche près du coude droite. Contract here. Inspirez, levez le jambe. Et genou près du coude gauche. Again, 2 more. Up. Genou près du coude droite. Inspirez, levez le jambe. Et genou près du coude gauche. Last one, up. Et genou près du coude droite. Inspirez, up. Et pied entre de la jambe. Slowly come up. Inspirez, breathe in. High lunge, 1. Bring your heels and knees on the same line, 3. 4. 5. Très bien. Now, inspirez, posez le main droite au genou gauche. Ouvrez le main gauche, bras gauche. And then breathe. Open your arms, both arms. Bring your right leg straight. 2. 3. 4. 5. Inspirez. Posez le main droite au sol. Le main gauche up. And then torsion de abdominaux et lombaires. Keep your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inspirez. Slowly hands down. Guerrier 3. Push. Up. 1. Tendez les jambes. Keep your both legs straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Posez le main au sol. Jump back. Here. Et inspirez. Urdhva Mukha. And Adho Mukha. Down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Doucement, le genou au sol et le bras sont devant, forward. On ne bouge pas les jambes, tête au sol. Respirez. 1. Stretch your back. If you feel more flexible, head up, hands forward, and then head down. 3, 4, 5. Head up, breathe in, and come back. Here. All right. Okay. Now again, slowly, elbows down, le coude au sol, paume de main au sol. Now dauphin. Okay. Slowly from here, lift your face and walk. Head down. Stay here. 1, 2. Fais un peu attention sous les épaules. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly head up. Possible, elbow up here. Très bien. Now doucement, pliez le genou. Avec main droite, attrapez le cheville gauche. Here. Tendez les jambes tous les deux. Head down. 1, 2. Respire. 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Change the side. Bend your knees. Hold it. Knees straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Slowly hands down here. All right. Now knees down here. And asseyez-vous. Hop là. Breathe. All right. Ujjayi Pranayam. Calmez la tête. Slow down. Okay. Now, last shoulder stretch, sitting posture, lying down posture, and we finish. Okay. Come here, downward dog. And here, planche. Downward dog. Here. Posez le pied droit entre de la main. Here. Doucement le genou gauche au sol. Now, come up here. Très bien. Now, levez le main gauche sont derrière, ici. Up. And then with your right hand, you can push your elbows and push it up. Here. Now, levez le main droite. Hold it together. Stay here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And slowly down. Très bien. It's just a matter of practice, you know. I didn't do this posture for a long time. And then when I start back again, it was quite difficult. Now it gets easier, right? Slowly hands down and planche. Pliez le coude. And Chaturanga 2. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Down. Pied gauche entre de la main. Knees down. Up here. Très bien. Now, main droite devant. And slowly push back here. Très bien. Now, right hands up. And then hold it. Très bien. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Slowly down. Hands down. And jump back here. Now, genou au sol. Séparez le genou. Asseyez-vous. Levez la tête. Hands forward. Head down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inspire, head up. And then come here. All right. Now, cat pose here. Okay. Now, downward dog again. Prenez le genou près de main droite, pied près de main gauche. Here. Okay. Pigeon. Move back. And then feel the space here. Breathe in, chin up. And breathe out, forward bend. Head down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up here. Now bend your elbow and then bend your knees, left knees with your right hand. Hold your foot here and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And down. Change the side. Here. Now, levez le jambe gauche up. And then knees towards your left hand. Okay. Right foot behind. Chin up, breathe in. And forward bend. Oh, what happened to the music? Here. Restez là. 1, 2, 3. Calm your mind. 4, 5. Excellent. Breathe in, head up. And come back here. Now bend your elbow. Bend your right knees. And hold your right elbow with your left hand here. Hop là. Très bien. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down, up, planche here. Chaturanga 1, Chaturanga 2, Urdhva Mukha up, Adho Mukha down. Et doucement, asseyez-vous here. All right, I'm gonna play the music. All right, here. Come. Hop là. Now, slowly come here. Ouvrez le pied droit et le pied gauche. Posez le main derrière. Se lève le fesse. Come up here. Come up here. Okay. Here. Levez le bras. Inspire. Tournez à droite. Expire. Forward bend. Here. To the right side. 1, 2. Try how much you can. 3, 4, 5. Levez le tête, attrapez le gros pouce avec main droite. Le main gauche à hanche. Ouvrez le poitrine. Si, shoulder same line. Pliez le coude. Prenez le coude entre de la jambe. Chest open. Levez le main gauche. Le biceps gauche près des oreilles. Now, here. Restez là. 1. Now if you want, see, chest open. 2, 3, 4. Yes, calm your mind, calm your mind. 5, inspire, breathe in. Levez le bras, up. And expire, forward bend. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Slowly up, head up. Attrapez le gros pouce avec 2 doigts. Le main gauche à hanche. Pliez le coude entre de la main. Levez le main droite. Right hands up. Tournez les épaules, le biceps gauche près des oreilles. Hold it if you can. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, my elbow is coming down, right? As I open. 5. Slowly come up. Hold your big toes tous les deux. Now if you can, head down. Head down. 1. Stay here. 2. 3. Are you able to calm your mind? As you breathe in and breathe out, focus on your breath. 4, 5. Slowly hands up and expire down. All right. Fold, croisez le pied up here. Reste là. Now we're gonna do lying down posture and we finish. Okay. Now we're gonna do the demi-pont, right? Half bridge, and there are many of you who are able to do that posture. Please do so. For me, I have like some injuries on my shoulder, so I always skip this posture. Okay, but as I do my half bridge, you can do your full bridge. All right, come. Les talons près de fesses here, and see. Levez le bassin, come up. Serrez le fesse, contract your fesse up. Les omoplates plus proches. Poussez le fesse à haut, serrez les mains sont ensemble, here. And those who can go for full bridge, from here you can go for full bridge, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Levez le talon doucement, haut de dos au sol, milieu de dos au sol et bas de dos au sol. Down, relax. One more time. Inspire, levez le fesse et le bassin, les omoplates plus proches. Serrez le fesse, serrez le cuisse. Poussez le bassin et fesses plus haut que possible, les omoplates plus proches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inspire, se lève le talon, haut de dos au sol, milieu de dos au sol et bas de dos au sol. And slowly, see, pliez le genou, tournez à droite, up, asseyez-vous, tendez les jambes devant, levez le bras, inspire, expire, here, le tête près du genou. Sit here, breathe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Chandelle, charrue et poisson. Come here. Bend your knees. Up. Lift your legs. Pieds sont ensemble. Serrez les fesses. Séparez les orteils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at your toes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pliez le genou près de front. Pied au sol d'arrière. Halasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pliez le genou, paume de main au sol. Et doucement. Haut de dos au sol, come down. Milieu de dos au sol. Bas de dos au sol. Les mains sont ensemble. Here. Les mains en dessous de fesses. Tendez le coude. Don't bend your elbow. Keep your hands straight. And see. Slowly come up. Here. Head down. Poisson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly here. Child pose. And we finish. Here. Alright. Shavasana. 3 minutes. Alright. Tendez les jambes. Paume de main ouverte. Relâche les épaules. Head down. Relâchez-vous. Et détendez-vous. Deep breathing. As you breathe out, you relax. Détendez-vous. Détendez le visage. Les yeux. Le nez. Les oreilles. Les joues. La bouche et le menton. Relax. Relâche le cou, la gorge et la nuque. Relâche le trapèze et haut de dos. Les omoplates, milieu de dos et bas de dos. Relax. Relâche le poitrine, le diaphragme et abdominaux. Relâche. Relâche le bras, le biceps et triceps. Les coudes, avant-bras, le poignet, le main et doigt. Relâche le poitrine, le diaphragme et abdominaux. Relâche le hanche, le bassin et le fesse. Relâche le cuisse, les genoux, le mollet, les chevilles, les talons, les orteils, le pied. Et doucement, bougez les pieds, les orteils, le main et doigts. Les pieds sont ensemble, entrecroisez les mains, si. Étirez le bras, le biceps près de les oreilles, inspire, breathe in. Hold the breath, levez la tête un petit peu. Hold the breath, and expire, relâche. Pliez le genou, tournez à droite et asseyez-vous. Slowly come up. On chante Om 3 fois et Shanti 3 fois. Take a long breath in, inspire. Oh. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you for your patience and the practice. Thank you. Have a good day and happy Tibetan Losar. See you soon. Okay. Yes.